Hi guys, I just received my Walmart beauty box. I think this is for the fall 2020. Um, I'm not sure, but I think it is. And I didn't just receive this box. I had received it like 3 weeks ago. I'm just getting to the video now. Um, I just wanted to show you the items that I received. This box comes out seasonal, so you get it spring, summer, fall, and winter. And I think it's $5 or $5.99. But will put the price in the description. And I just wanted to tell you I have taken items out of the box. So let's get started. I'm going to show you the back and of the card in here, and it says the curl shop for your best waves, curls, and coils ever. And it says walmart.com/the curl shop. And this is a really nice card. And on the inside, it shows the products, which these are them. And again, this is what it looks like here. And this is from Walmart. Now, I'm going to show you the products that I got in there. The first one is called, it says here, Super Hold for Natural Hair, and it's by African Pride Olive Miracle Anti-Breakage Formula Super Hold and Smooth Edges. It says long-lasting, nourishing, flake-free hold. Yes, that's what I like. And this is what it looks like here. And the price of it is $2.54 for the full size. The next item that I received, and it is by Next. Focus. Come on, camera, focus. By Next. And it says, it's my camera. It says it is a professional makeup butter gloss. And this is for the lips. And it is $4.97. And let me just try it on to show you what it looks like. So this is what it looks like. It's really nice. And again, is this it? And it is $4.97. The next item that I received is Palmer's Coconut Oil Formula Body Lotion. And it says here, glow for fall. This lotion deeply dehydrates and restores for radiant, healthy looking skin. Made with authenticity and sustainable sorry about that, sources coconut oil and Tahiti mall. I guess that's what it says here. But it's the full size of this is $5.28. And yeah, it smells really good. I love coconut oil anyway. Then the next product that I received here is called Earth Supply. And it says here textured. Sorry about the birds, they're whistling in the background. But this is, again, it says New Earth Supply, textured hair care, butter rich, deep treatment mask. And it moisture and repairs. It says 25% shea butter, no self, no sulfates, no sulfates and silicones. What is it? Proben or mineral oil. I can't read this. I don't have my glasses on, so I'm just telling you what it says here. And this is what this looks like, this Earth Supply. And they're saying the full size is $1.97. $1.97. Sorry. And the next and last item that I received is by Aunt Jackie. And it says curls. And, oh, it says here coils and curls. Curl la la. And it defines curl cluster. And here it says curl a la cream. And it says enrich the shea and olive oil. It says here. So it has shea butter and olive oil. And here, I'm just going to read the card, what it says. It says, turned heads in stunning in stunning spiral for fall. These products hydrate, shape, and control curls for long-lasting bounce and shine. Define curls all without flaking and caking. And yeah, this is what it looks like. And this product is $6.97. So yeah. So these are all the items that I received in my Walmart beauty box. And yeah, please subscribe or give this video a thumbs up. I would really appreciate it. And I just wanted to tell you I should be receiving my winter box probably next week. And I just want to thank you for watching. And for now, goodbye. Bye.